Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna make papaya salad. Come on, let's go start it. Okay, ingredient is tomato, eggplant, lime, hot pepper, garlic. Everything go all in. To make papaya salad, a lot of vitamin C, guys. A lot of benefits to eat this. You got vitamin C. Okay, tomato, eggplant going down. Garlic, hot pepper going down, and this lime. All the vitamin C. When you eat, wake up right away. One lime should be sour, good enough. Very easy to make papaya. All you have to do is just chop papaya and prepare all ingredients you want to put in. If you don't have this eggplant, you don't have to put just papaya, tomato, garlic, hot pepper, and lime. Good enough, okay? Because I want more toppings. And you can eat with barbecue chicken, barbecue pork, grilled fish, or just eat by themselves. Salad. If you don't want too spicy, you don't have to put too spicy, okay? This palm sugar, coconut sugar. Coconut sugar look like this. Yeah, this is Thai fish sauce. You can buy this the boy picture, baby boy. So I'm gonna put about 5 spoons. If not enough, I will add some more. Alright, and this one, lao fish sauce, padang. Put all of it, but I don't have a lot, just that's all I got. Finish it up, and I'm gonna go ahead and mix them. If not enough, I will add more. Right now, that's what I got. Very easy to make papaya salad, guys, and eat with friends and family. You can eat with grilled fish too, even you just eat with tuna fish. Any kind of fish you like to eat with, it's just so good. This papaya right here, when you eat, you get energy and you wake up right away. You wake up with vitamin C. Very easy to make, guys. Just the way I do, so easy. I do new fashion. It's old fashion. They have to have a cook and sack. I don't have that cook and sack, guys. So I do very easy. You can do this way too. Okay, it's very easy. Let me taste. Need more sugar. The palm sugar right here. Sugar, add on more, and I need more fish sauce. You make the way you want the taste, okay? Put sugar right here, add on, because this sugar not that sweet. It's like a balance, like salty taste a little bit. That's why I like palm sugar, because palm sugar don't make you fat. Natural sugar. Very easy to make papaya, guys. So easy, okay? You make that, eat with them. Even you eat with the shrimp, the boiled shrimp or raw shrimp, anything. So good. Let me taste again. Perfect. So good. There you have it, guys. Papaya salad, so good, easy to make. Oh man, I love it. Just wake me up today. Stay home, you don't do nothing. You wanna eat some spicy and sour. So good. So time to put in place and